Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about galaxies. So what are galaxies? When you look up and see the sky during nighttime, every star you see is part of our galaxy and Milky Way. This is part of what we call the local group, which contains about 50 galaxies. Beyond it are countless more galaxies that stretch out as far as telescopes can see. The small galaxies have a few million stars in them, while the largest have trillions. The Milky Way has 100 billion to 1 trillion stars in it. The force of gravity holds the stars in a galaxy together and they travel slowly around the center. A supermassive black hole hides in the center of most galaxies. Here is a little bit more about galaxies. The four types of galaxies based on shape are spiral, barred spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Spiral galaxies are flat spinning disks with a bulge in the center. Barred spiral galaxies have a longer, thinner line of stars at their center, which looks like a bar. An elliptical galaxy is an ellipsoid, or it is the shape of a mashed sphere. They are the largest galaxies. Then there are irregular galaxies which have no regular shape. So, what is a galactic core? The galactic core is the center of a galaxy. Infrared and X-ray images reveal intense activity near the galactic core. The galaxy's center is located within the bright white region. Hundreds of thousands of stars that cannot be seen in visible light swirl around it, heating dramatic clouds of gas and dust. Our Milky Way. The Milky Way belongs to the type barred spiral. The diameter is 100,000 light-years. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is thought to be a barred spiral shape, but we cannot see its shape clearly from Earth because we are part of it. From our solar system, it appears as a pale streak in the sky with a central bulge of stars. From above, it would look like a giant whirlpool that takes 200 million years to rotate. Now about the Cartwheel Galaxy. The type is an irregular ring. The distance is 500 million light-years. The Cartwheel Galaxy starts out as a spiral. However, 200 million years ago, it collided with a smaller galaxy, causing a powerful shock throughout the galaxy, which tossed lots of the gas and dust to the outside, creating its unusual shape. Next, we will learn about antennae galaxies. The type of antennae galaxy is merging spirals. The distance is 45 million to 65 million light-years. Nearly about 1.2 billion years ago, the antennae galaxies were two separate galaxies, one barred spiral and one spiral. They began to merge a few hundred million years ago when the antennae formed and are expected to become one galaxy in about 400 million years. Next is Andromeda. The type of the Andromeda Galaxy is a spiral. The distance is 2,450,000 light-years. Our closest large galaxy, Andromeda, a central hub surrounded by a flat rotating disk of stars, gas, and dust, can sometimes be seen from Earth with the naked eye. In 4.5 billion years, Andromeda is expected to collide with the Milky Way, forming one huge elliptical galaxy. The Messier 87. The type is elliptical. The distance of the Messier 87 is 53 million light-years. Messier 87, also known as Virgo A, is one of the largest galaxies. It gives out a powerful jet of material from the supermassive black hole at the center, which is energetic enough to accelerate particles to nearly the speed of light. Now about the Small Magellanic Cloud. The type is dwarf, irregular. The distance is 197,000 light-years. The SMC Small Magellanic Cloud stretches 7,000 light-years across. Its shape has been distorted by the gravity by our own galaxy. It is known as a satellite galaxy because it orbits the Milky Way. And finally, about the whirlpool galaxy. The type is colliding spiral and dwarf. The distance is 23 million light-years. About 300 million years ago, the spiral whirlpool galaxy was struck by a dwarf galaxy and it now appears to dangle from one of its arms. The collision triggered a burst of star formation which can be seen from Earth with a small telescope. Thank you for watching.